It's been a pretty rough day. Didn't drink any water. That was the most difficult part of my day.
Healthcare providers were always overworked and we work about 12-hour shifts.
Now it's almost 4 a.m. What we have here is oatmeal with dried fruit.
Ramadan's a marathon. It really is. And you just kind of realize how strong your body is and what it can do.
We have to wear these surgical masks all day. If a patient is, in the verge of passing away, we have to go in there and we have to start doing cardiopulmonary resuscitation. We have to do CPR. And in those situations, you can get really heated up, and it's exhausting physically. And especially if you can't drink water or even have any food during the day, it really bears down on you. If I'm in an emergency situation where I can't just leave to catch a prayer, that's acceptable, and God will forgive me for that, because I'm here trying to do my best to get the best outcomes for my patients.
Fasting has definitely helped me stay way more grounded during this whole process. And that part of it is just kind of like removing you from like the chaos. Just like, okay, I have a higher purpose in life.
We have just a few minutes left until sunset, getting ready for a little kind of mini celebration that we have every night.
There have been times where I've felt very low, and the only thing that's helped me feel better and rise above those difficult times is my connection to my God. Majority of us are burned out or near burnt out, but we have high morale because this is actually what we signed up for. So it's time for us to deliver on our promise.